Hey guys, it's Luke with Chief. I'm happy to introduce our new VCT series projector mounts. So the VCT series is smaller than its predecessor, the VCM. So it's 30% smaller in size, 25% lighter in weight. Instead of having manual adjustments, you have micro toolless adjustments. The pitch mechanism is extremely fine. And you can add a drill to it to kind of speed up that operation. The VCT series comes in a black universal mount, a white universal mount, and then we also have custom interfaces available in black as well. And then don't forget the accessories. So we have accessories like extra large projector guards, great for gymnasiums and schools. And then if you have vibration challenges, we have vibration dampening as well. For any questions, stop by the booth or visit legrandav.com.